Hello, welcome to West Coast RCP. I am now going to have my first big build, and to me that's a big thing. Um, I'm pretty pleased about this, and I have worked very hard to do this, to be able to afford to build this car. For some people it might not be that much, but to me it really is. So I'm really excited. My first day is today, and I have done a lot of preparations on my workshop to be able to do this. The car that I'm going to be working with is a Chevrolet C10 from 1965, and it doesn't look much maybe to some people, but to me I think it's cool. I think it's awesome. Now what I'm going to do with this car is I'm going to leave the patina on the car, so it's going to look exactly like it does now. A little less dust maybe. I'm going to strip the entire car, do the frame, all new parts on everything on the frame, change the exhaust, change the gas tank to back here by the bed. It's my plan. I have air ride on it now, and I'm going to have new air rides on it with double tanks and double compressors, so it can lift a little bit higher or a little bit faster. I'm going to do everything in the interior. That is also going to look brand new. So that is going to be done on it. Stereo, new gauges, yeah, all kind of snacky things. The engine that I have is a 454 big block. That is also going to be overhauled, and it's going to look pretty much brand new down in here. Right now it looks terrible, and but that is going to change. And this build is going to cost me around $30,000. I have had extra jobs and saved and all that to be able to afford this. I'm from Norway, the west coast of Norway, from a place called Karmøy. And I'm pretty much excited about this. Parts in Norway is very expensive because you have to pay taxes and high shipping price and everything. So the build would not be that expensive if you were living in the States, for instance. That would be cheaper. So these are the plans that I have for this. The theme is Day of the Dead from Mexico. I like that very much. I think it's a little bit awesome, but I will not do it like over the top. I will try to do it subtle, cool details, especially inside here, like in the dashboard and maybe the roof and doors, maybe something like that. But I will try not to overdo it. So, if you like this, think it's interesting to see how a guy who is not that, I'm no expert, not at all, but I think it's interesting and it's fun, and I try to squeeze in between everyday life to learn and stuff like that. So if you are interested and want to see more, just subscribe, and if not, that's okay. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.